Understanding protective search in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, protective search. This term is used in various contexts, especially in legal and security situations, and understanding its nuances can greatly enhance your English comprehension. Let's dive in. Protective search is a compound noun made up of two words, protective and search. To fully grasp the meaning, we need to understand each component. Protective is an adjective, suggesting safety or defense. Search, a noun or verb depending on usage, implies looking for or examining something. Combined, protective search refers to a search conducted to ensure safety or prevent harm. In legal and security contexts, a protective search is often associated with law enforcement. It's a search conducted by police or security personnel, primarily for weapons or dangerous items. This is usually done to ensure the safety of the public, the officers, or a specific individual. Importantly, in many legal systems, the scope of a protective search is limited to prevent invasion of privacy. Let's see how protective search is used in sentences. 1. The police conducted a protective search of the vehicle for hidden weapons. 2. During the airport security check, a protective search was performed on the luggage. 3. The officer carried out a protective search to ensure there were no threats in the building. These examples highlight the use of the term in real-life situations, making it easier to understand and remember. Understanding synonyms and related terms can broaden your understanding. Similar terms include safety check, security screening, preventive search. While these terms are related, their usage might vary slightly based on context. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of protective search. Remember, learning a language involves understanding the nuances of phrases like these. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering English in no time. See you in the next video.